Hello everybody. So today I will talk about accounting. So now I will show you how to do about journal entries, provided service to customers A for 4,000 US dollars cash, and the second one on account 3,000 US dollars. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we have cash and service revenue. So, about the first one, I will put 4,000 and 4,000. And the second one, provided service to customer B on account. On account, that means the customer B, they don't have enough money to pay the service. So we will use about account receivable. And we have service revenue. And we put about 3,000. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.